How are you, everyone? I'm doing fine, my dear. Great. Thank you. What is the last topic? What I shared with you? How is your practice? Audio, video clear for you? Audio, video is clear for you? Everything is clear. Shall we start today a little bit different session? CSS 3 level more properties we'll try to observe. Right, guys. So far, we are giving fonts. How we are giving fonts on the web applications, the fonts which already installed in our system, like Arial, Book Antiqua, Candera, Times New Roman, Tahoma, like this already installed fonts we are giving. But in CSS3, there is an outstanding feature that is nothing but new fonts, user-defined fonts we can provide. User-defined fonts we can provide. Try to understand. @ font face. CSS3 @ font face rule. Your own fonts are defined in the CSS3. @ font face rule. Before CSS3, web designers had to use fonts that were already installed on the user's computer. With CSS3, web designers can use whatever font they likes. Wonderful. There is no rule here. Every time installed fonts we need to provide. There is no rule here. Everything installed fonts we need to provide. There we can provide the rules which are not existed. I'm downloading some fonts from internet which I liked. Those fonts I want to apply on my web page. Yes, possible. Note point, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, and Opera supports different fonts like .ttf, true type fonts, .otf, open type fonts, like Internet Explorer 9+ supports new @ fonts face. Nowadays we are using IE Edge, there is nothing. There we are calling .eot, embedded open type. Embedded open type. So finally, there are the different fonts existed like TTF, OTF, EOT, there are. These fonts we can try to apply. Syntax observe. @ font face, font properties. What are the different font formats here? Okay, we'll check it one by one. First one, TTF. As I said already, true type fonts. These are the standard fonts. Actually, who developed these fonts? Apple Corporation and Microsoft Corporation together, they developed actually these fonts. Are you understanding? While I'm discussing subject, Surendra asking me when JavaScript will be started. Why, Surendra? CSS3 you are not liking? You don't want? Shall I stop CSS3? Shall I start JavaScript? Come on, emojis, everybody, emojis. Emojis. Interest paying, I'm teaching slowly, neatly means you people are asking me when JavaScript will start, sir. Last night you slept properly or not? Tomorrow you are eating chicken biryani or not? What these questions, my dear freshers? Happily, I'm teaching CSS3 latest properties. You are not checking that one. Huh? When JavaScript will start? If I start the JavaScript, what people will ask, you know? When Bootstrap will start? If I start the Bootstrap, what people will ask, you know, when batch will be completed, sir? Already 2 months completed. Somebody saying, please continue class, sir. I'll give the name also, that person name. Shreyash Pandey. Who disturbed the session? You can tell me now. I disturbed. Shreyash Pandey. Who disturbed the session? Nicely, I'm talking. I'm giving explanation about the fonts. Come on, who disturbed the session? Ignoring is very dangerous, Javed. Ignoring is very dangerous. Because they have a question when JavaScript will start. It is not ignoring question. Tell me, everybody, Surendra question answer. When JavaScript will start? That is Surendra question. Okay, right. So different font formats. TTF, true type fonts. OTF, open type font formats. Whatever it is, all these fonts are OFF, WOFF. Web open font format for use in web pages. It was developed in 2009 and is now a W3C recommendation. All browsers compatible. SVG, scalable vector graphics. SVG fonts allow SVG to be used as glyphs. So very important, SVG fonts are shapes. Embedded open type fonts, EOT we are calling. Embedded open type, EOT. Whatever it is. So finally you got it. True type fonts, open type fonts, web open font formats, SVG scalable vector graphics, embedded open type, EOT. Anyway, so all these are more and more perfect level answers. How these are available, how to download these fonts, okay, we'll try to see and we'll try to observe. Go to, there is a website available. I think 1001 free fonts something available. Go there and you can click on that one, 1001freefonts.com. Anybody you know this website? 1001freefonts.com. Anybody? Somebody said yes. Somebody said yes. Oh, very good. Rudra also knows very well. 1001 freefonts.com. It is very popular website exclusively for free fonts. You can download and you can apply those fonts to your web page. How to download, how to apply that one, I'll show you more practically. Observe. More practical, I'll show you. So 1001freefonts.com. Just if you are clicking whatever the fonts I required, for example, Easter fonts I required. Click on Easter. Observe Easter fonts. These fonts you can download. Some are free of cost available. Some are cost available. Sri, they given very clearly. These are free. Some are free. Free level you can download, no problem. But don't think all they'll provide. See, free personal usage. Commercial usage they are not giving. So where personal usage, commercial usage you must not use because they'll shoot a case on you. Right? You need to understand. So come down, enter into next page. Observe again. Personal usage. Personal use, demo. Sunny faster, only demo. So you need to use Sunny faster, you can. Download the letters or whatever you want. So these fonts, how to apply? Already I downloaded these fonts. I kept in my observer in my, what we can say, VS Code level already. I think you're observing fonts, different extensions here. Are you observing? TTF, OTF, EOT. You can download. Once you download it, you can try to unzip that. After downloading, you can try to unzip that. Once you unzip that, you will get all the resources. Yes, extract. So that you can keep in your current directory for applicable. Right? I'm going to start practicals. Right. OTF, TTF, OP, SVZ, OT like that. Up to your theory clear for you? What are the font extensions available, everybody? Very good, excellent. Open type font formats also you are clear. Right, example we'll try to observe clearly. One by one, point by point we'll observe examples. Style level, I'm removing all the properties. Yesterday border images, how many you tried? I don't know all those things. Right. Now I'm giving @ Can you help me here? @ font face. Then @ font face. Now I'm writing. Font family I'm giving. Simply font family, I'm giving my name. Okay, your name font is there, I'll develop. Source where available. Source available. What that one? Here, what kinds of fonts already existed here? Underscore light dot TTF. Observe. Any question you can tell. Right, that is completed. After that, I'm coming to div. Careful observe now. Div level properties. So div instead I'm writing font family. I'm writing simple one. My name I'm giving. My name I'm giving. I'm not bothering about anything. Simple I said div. Welcome to customized. Welcome to customized fonts. Welcome to customized fonts. Now I'm going to refresh the web page. Check it. Something differently. Are you observing fonts? Something differently available? Come on, guys. Customized fonts. Yes, go back and try to light is there, no? So light level I'm using, for example, bold something is there. Observe here. Sanitation bold is there. Correctly observe. Bold. Come on, go to web page. Beautiful. Bold applied or not? Come on. How it is working? One or two members are asking me. Next one, italic. Italic. Underscore. Underscore. Italic. Perfectly applied. How these are working, you can tell me. First, what I did, go to 1001freefonts.com. What is the website name? What is the website name? Go to 1001freefonts.com. Very good. From there, you can download the fonts, whichever you like. From there, you can download the fonts, whichever you like. Then unzip. Once you unzipped, there are the different extensions fonts are coming. What are the different extensions? Can you tell me? TTF, OTF, come on, EOT, WOFF. Some people are asking me, sir, download and you can show. Oh my God, that much doubt is there for you. Right, my dears, I'm downloading. Okay, something I'm downloading. Just click on that. Dot fonts we don't want. Brush, rounded, scratch, I'm seeing. All right, some fonts I downloaded. Click on your download. Jersey. I clicked on the download. Already downloaded here. Go to that folder. Right click on that. Extract here. Then once extract, you are getting all the resources. For this one, what you got? Correctly check it. PNG, RTF, TTF. How many formats you got finally? 3 formats you got. Which format we need to copy? This format, TTF format you need to copy. Copy to which location? Where you are practicing, there you can put. Where? Here. Here you need to keep and you need to paste in that location. Understood or not? In this location, you need to paste it. Once you pasted here, automatically all the resources visible here. Got it? How to? Remind any members? Workspace is a level, you can paste it. How to download? At least you people clear? Everything you're asking me right from scratch. How to download, how to open the website, how to connect internet. After downloading, how to unzip. After unzip, how to right click, how to copy, how to paste. After pasting, how to give the font. Okay, no problem. But finally you understood means happy. Everything like skinless banana, all the points. Shall I move forward? Yes, guys, shall I move forward? Thank you. So finally, customized fonts clear. This example already available here with the different property. I think this example and 2 examples already provided. This example doesn't require. But still, no, sir, this example required. Some students are saying, you can put in the chat box. Okay, whoever required, you can take. I kept in the chat box. Right? Visible in the chat box, everybody? Okay, very good. Right. Now I'm going to next level. That is multiple column properties. CSS 3 level, some beautiful column properties available. Anybody you heard the name? Multiple column properties. Come on. You didn't hear the name multiple column properties? Very useful. These properties exclusively we are using for newspapers designing purpose we are using. CSS3 create multiple column property specifies the number of columns an element should be divided into. Syntax column count number auto. Number optimal number of columns into which the content of the element will be flowed. Auto, the number of columns will be determined by other properties. Anyway, so you are having two properties. One is number, another one is auto. Check it once again, everyone clear or not? Properties clear or not? Number property, auto property. If clear, I'll start my examples writing. Clear. Oh, very good. Come down to our ID, remove whatever existed, and I'm giving column properties. Right. Dot I'm giving. Dot means what representing? Paper. Just newspaper like that. What that one? Column. What that one? Count. I'm giving 3. That's it. No need more than that. Very simple property. Body level. What you are giving? Div you said. Div inside something and class is equal to. What is that one? And paper. Inside you can provide some text here. Just go there. My God. Just take this text. I'm taking. Check it, observe. Super. How many columns available here? 3 columns available. So text align is not good. Then what do you need to do? Text align, justify. 3 columns perfectly visible to you. 3 columns perfectly visible to you. No, I don't want 3, I want 2. How many columns will come now? No, I don't want 2, I want 4. How many columns are coming now? Check it. 4 columns clearly visible or not? Right. Like this, you want to do CSS3 before, very critical, my dear. Like this, you want to do in CSS3 before, very critical. You know this? These are not that much simple. But nowadays, this is very simple. Column count property. Come on. So what are the more properties available? Column count, everybody clear? Example you want? Already I'm giving in the tutorials level example, my dears. Tutorial level already example I'm giving to you. 2, 3 examples I'm providing. You don't worry about the example. Next one. CSS level column gap property. Column to column, there is a gap available. Between columns, there is a gap available. Column gap property specifies the gap between the columns. Column gap length normal. Column gap length normal. Length means what? A specified length that will set the gap between the columns. Normal means what? Specifies a normal gap between columns. A normal gap between columns. Clear, everybody? CSS3 column gap between. Now I'm using these properties. Column length property, column gap property. For example, I'm going here. I'm giving column gap property. I said, for example, 10 pixels. Correctly observe. 20 pixels. Are you observing? 30 pixels. Are you observing? Come on, everyone. Column gap. Are you observing? Right. Very good. After that gap, I want to display some symbols here. If I want to display some symbols, what I need to do? Column rule property. It is shorthand property for setting all the column rule properties. The column rule property sets the width, style, and the color of the rule between columns. Between columns. Syntax. Column rule width, column rule style, column rule color. Check it once. How many properties are there? Rule width, rule style, rule color. Shall I start practically? Rule width, rule style, rule color. Right. First I'm giving column. What that one? Count already you know. Column gap you know. Column rule. Very good. Column rule. And that outset and a color also you need to provide. Right. Check it once again. Column rule. Properly coming or not. Yes, everyone. Is column rule is okay for you? Is column rule is okay for you? Column rule completed. Column rule color also I am giving. Column rule color. Column rule color. Green. Then rule color is not there. Yes, rule color is clear now. Green color. Column rule width is there. Column rule width 10 pixels. Observe it only. Come on, remaining members, are you following me? What I'm teaching, column properties. All these are very powerful properties in the CSS3 level. Right? For example, I'm giving here outset level, I'm giving solid. Then what happened? Solid is coming. Solid color is coming. Observe once. What solid color? Right. Now, for example, I'm giving dash. Coming or not dash? Dotted. Increase. Decrease. How many number of advantages are there? Correctly observe. Right. Next one. What is the next property? Clear, column width, column rule style, column rule color. Shall I go to new property in the columns level? Come on, active. I have doubt on some people. Maybe they are sleeping. Column rule color completed already. Column rule color just now we did. Rule style, dotted, hidden, double, dashed. Already we did. Come on, everyone. Any property or any value doubt is there, question me. Rule style, rule color, rule width. Shall I see how many number of properties are there, my dears? Entered new property, column span property. Anybody you heard the name span? Yes, Madhavi. Not only newspaper level, whenever page you want to divide multiple columns, this is an easy process. No need to write bunch of code, no need to hard coding. Column span property. One means the element should span across one column. All means element should span across to all columns. Span already explained to you. Span tag is nothing but only internal or inline styles purpose. Let me write today an example. Clearly somebody disturbing. Who is that? Newspaper level I'm writing. Column count 3. Sorry. Then I'm giving. I'm writing column span. Column span. All I'm giving. Heading will come to all columns. So now I'm writing H2. This is heading for all columns. For all text columns on the page. We'll check it coming or not. Increase that. It's coming to all columns or one column. Come on, everyone. Observing how your friends are listening sessions. Are you observing? Tell to your friend what you are going to give instruction. This is online level means people will enjoy like that. You went to purchase newspaper. Right. Now I want only one column level. Then what I need to do? Then what I need to do? Now one column level available, all column level available. Heading. Come on, everyone. All you people correctly understand the word. Right, everyone. Span property, everybody clear? Column span property, everybody clear? Come on, everyone. Right, I'm coming to next property. Column width property I'm giving. What is the next property? Column width property. It specifies the width of the columns. Column width, auto, length, value, description. Auto, the column width will be determined by the browser. Length, a length that specifies the width of the columns. A length that specifies the width of the columns. Everybody clear? CSS3 column width property. Check it everyone, take your own time. Right, one more time, I'll show you practically, Javed. Theoretically you are clear or not, you can check it. Write all the properties, whichever available, I'm removing. And I'm providing here column width property. Column width property, I said 100 pixels. Right. Column width property is clear. I'm not giving column count. See, now here, whenever you are going to work out the things, increase the size. Columns are decreasing. Observe. Decrease the size. Columns are increasing. Increase the size. Columns are decreasing. Understood, everybody? What is the logic behind that? If you are increasing page size, columns are decreasing. You are decreasing the page size, columns are increasing. Super simple. Right. Excellent. Now, everybody. Next property, what is there? Columns property. Columns property level, what is available? Column width available, column count available. Correctly understand properties here. I think today also big list of properties are coming to you. It is a shorthand property for setting column width and column count. Columns, column width, column count, column width, the width of the columns, column count, the number of columns, the number of columns. Check the things one by one. Check the things one by one. Now I'm writing example, I'm modifying, check it once. What I'm saying, columns, and I said, now 3. Either increase or decrease. How many columns minimum and maximum? Come on, either increase or decrease. How many columns only? 3 columns. Clear column property now? Text align. Is it perfectly working, everybody? Column properties. Is it perfectly working, everybody? Column properties. Check it all column properties. Anyone not supporting like that? Not there. Every property perfectly supporting. Every property perfectly supporting. Not supporting like that is not there. Correct or not? Every property perfectly supporting. Come on, column properties. Shall I move forward to next properties? Right, user interface. Super. User interface. A user interface is a property of CSS3, which gives individual and what is it? Individual interface to users to implement their efforts without editing the code section. As you can resize your div, can set your box size and etc. There are mainly 3 types of user interface that we use. There are mainly 3 types of user interface that we use. Resize, box sizing, outline offset. Observe the properties also here. Resize specifies whether or not an element is resizable by the user. Box sizing allows you to define certain elements to fit an area in a certain way. And outline offset is it draws beyond the border edge. Okay, no problem. First theory part clear or not, you can check it. Some practical sessions we can see on UI. Come on, guys. Are you practicing these many properties daily? I'm giving these many properties daily. I'm giving. Okay. I don't know. Really, if you are practicing, great only. No doubt in that one, you are the great. But if you are not practicing, my dears, definitely problematic. After that one, syllabus will be completed. There is no use. Okay, last example I'll give, I'll close. CSS3 resizing. Resize both, resize vertical, resize horizontal. Resize is a property of user interface by which you can resize your div layout on your browser. Three features of resize. Okay, three features you can observe. And here you got it or not, you can try to understand value description. None, both, horizontal, vertical. None, both, horizontal, vertical. Come on, everyone. Clear, everyone. Resize, none, both, horizontal, vertical. Check it, check it. Now, example level, we can see a little bit differently. Concentrate properly, example level. I'm giving simply div inside. I'm taking first property border, some border, that means of a width I'm giving. Okay, I provided. And generally solid we are giving. Color if you want, color also I'll give you, don't worry. And here only padding available. Padding available. Padding I'm giving commonly width and the height. After that padding, width also I'm providing for easy understanding. Resize I'll provide you. Resize I'm providing. Both I'm giving. Both means what will come? Resize both means. Come on. Vertical as well as horizontal, both will come. Overflow auto. Any size you can display. Then I'm giving div. Simple, I said all these words. NF. Check the div. Put the cursor corner. See the UI, horizontal and vertical. Working or not working? UI is working or not working? Perfectly working. These are CSS3 user interface level properties. Actually, for HTML5, for CSS3, there is no endpoint, my dear. Lot of properties are there. If you are sitting like that, I'll give you number of examples. But our time is less, almost 1 month completed. HTML, CSS, HTML5, CSS3, more than 1 month. 1 month or more than 1 month? Yes, JavaScript is waiting. JavaScript will take minimum 1 month. So JavaScript also I need to take 1 month. Next, Bootstrap. Completely I'll discuss with you 1 week to 10 days. So that is a reason I'm moving. But don't think CSS3 completed. At least CSS3 level, some important properties you understood. Correct or not? CSS3 level, some important properties you understood. Will you practice all these examples? Right. How you are understanding all these properties list, remaining members? How you are understanding all these properties? I'm planning to start JavaScript tomorrow onwards. Is it okay for you? More advanced properties. More advanced properties. I said that one only, not completed. Many properties still available. Better we'll move forward to JavaScript because JavaScript is the most important compared to any other one. Okay, means I'll enter into JavaScript level. Important properties, whichever I completed, Syed, that is enough. Non-important properties nodes also will give you. These are important. Whichever I'm discussing, I'm using in the projects level frequently. All important I'm sharing to you. Already my videos are there in Naresh IT channel. Already my videos are there in Naresh IT channel. You can check it. Okay, tomorrow I'll take one backup session. HTML, CSS, HTML5, CSS3. Till today, whatever I discussed with you, tomorrow I'm taking one overview and one backup session so that everybody will get what I discussed with you. Then Thursday, I'll start the JavaScript. Okay, everybody? Okay, everybody? I'll give one overview, HTML, CSS, HTML5, CSS3, everything, whatever what I did, I'll review. I'll give you one review on that one. Okay, very good. Thank you, guys. Tomorrow, completely backup session, doubt session, and revision session tomorrow. Okay, very good. So Thursday onwards, I'm going to start JavaScript. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Thank you. Tomorrow is a beautiful session for you. Tomorrow is a beautiful session for you. Oh, thank you.